Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox Voice Chat without ID or verification. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then type out roblox.com and then sign in to your account. Now click on the gear icon and then select the settings. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here to verify your age as well as your email address. So since I already verified my email address, so I don't have to worry about that. So just click on the privacy option. And when you scroll down, you'd be able to see the camera input, but you cannot see the voice chat where you can toggle the switch on. So we are going to fix that. So just click on the settings and then select help. Okay, and then here just type out voice chat and then select the chat with voice option. That's one, then scroll down until you see the need more help contact support here. Just click on it and then type out here your contact information. Okay, your email address. So just copy this one and paste it here. Okay, copy and then paste. Okay, that's right. So here you are going to click this one. If what device are you having the problem on, and then select PC, or it depends on your device, and then type of help category. So just select age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. Just select that one, and then describe your issue in here. So you can just copy this one and also to specify your type of help category, so just select the adjust child privacy and security settings and then click on submit. Then right after that, go to your email and you'll be able to see here the email from the Roblox support center. Okay, and you'll be able to see here reference number. So that's one. So just right after that, just reply to this email and describe your issue. And when you log back in to your Roblox account and go to the privacy, okay, so just click on your settings again at the top and then select settings and then select the privacy option. So when you scroll down after waiting a few hours, you'd be able to see here now the voice chat option. So as you can see, I don't have that yet because I just, contact the support team. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.